Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video I will show you how you can create vignette effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. Here you can see there is a simple image, and to create the vignette effect it's very simple. So what you have to do is just create one layer. So you can see there is a button at the down here. Just click on that and then fill this particular layer. So I have selected this layer 1 and then I'm gonna fill it with the white background. So you can see that the foreground color is white, and I have selected the paint bucket tool. Then just click here and you can see since this is a top layer, the actual image is hidden now. Now the interesting thing happens. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the eraser and make sure that you have selected this kind of brush, and you can choose this hardness size based upon your settings. And then what you can do is just start erasing the contents of the top layer, and you can see how beautiful this vignette effect is being generating. So that is how you can create a vignette effect in Photoshop. Very simple trick, but creates amazing results. Thanks for watching.